Potato and coconut infused chicken meal. My chicken has been properly washed. I use chicken thighs and drumsticks. Pat dry to remove excess moisture. Season with spices. Seasoning cubes, salt, paprika, sage, coriander, thyme. Mix well. If you don't want the coconut infused flavor, after mixing, cover up and place in the fridge to marinate for some hours or overnight. This will give the chicken more flavor. Add coconut milk to Ziploc or a container with lid. Add chopped onion, garlic and ginger, crushed pepper and turmeric. Mix well. Mix well and place in the fridge overnight or for 2 to 4 hours. This will make the chicken tender and add depth of flavors. After marinating, remove the chicken from the coconut milk and squeeze out excess liquid from it. Add some oil to pot. Brown the chicken on both sides. This could take up to 5 minutes. Peel Irish potato. Into 3 or 2, depending on the size. Wash well to remove excess starch. Add water or meat stock. You can cut your carrots into any shape. If you want to get the rustic look without the wavy cutter, use your serrated knife this way. Cut green beans into 2 or 3 depending on the size. irresistible oil to pot. Sauce some onions, garlic, and ginger. Add roughly blended pepper. Carrots, green beans, bell peppers, green, yellow, red. Spices, seasoning cube, salt, oregano, coriander. Soy sauce. Bring down. Check if the chicken and potato is soft. Mix water and cornstarch together. Add more water if dry. Boil up for a minute. Garnish with spring onions and parsley. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.